Hello, and welcome to TTIC Gist Day on YouTube. I dey greet una all in the name of Jesus. They say, may God continue for the bless una. For those of you who don't subscribe for this our channel, and for you who never subscribe, what you see they wait? The train is moving. May they not leave you behind, because make you subscribe. I beg. Give us a subscription and get notification when next we are online. God bless you all. I'm so grateful. I'm very, very happy for having you guys out there. So today, you get something where I want me we talk about. This thing be say, I want to ask us women, when you carry belly, when you dey pregnant, must that pregnancy come on social media? I just dey ask na ask. As I dey used to talk, now say everybody get the way they take do their own things, and everybody in neck na in carry in head. But the thing be say, we don't talk say when you deal with when brethren dwell together, we have to correct each other in love, no be for quarrel. So what are the talk we say? I dey ask now we say, when woman dey pregnant, must that pregnancy come on social media, on YouTube, abi which other way? I don't know as una dey call am. Una say na waiting celebration or testimony, abi waiting. The fact be say, nowadays we know that life no dey again life for before. We know say people mind no dey again as e dey before. And that is why we dey always talk say, may you be prayerful and be intelligent like any other thing. May you get sense, wey pass sense. You use your number 6, because you know say any good thing wey dey come for you, no be everybody na in like am. If you get belle, you carry belle, nobody, make I tell una, would they easily they talk and say it takes the grace of God. Make somebody where they find something, make it celebrate the person where don't get that thing where the person they find. Now God spirit, now person where God they live inside in mind, where you know say one day the own thing where they find go come. Now you go they pray for the person, now you go they follow the person, they happy, because he know say God, when God won't give him own, you know go add any sorrow for on top. But for some people where they don't know God, like the multitude where we they live with today, where they don't know God, no be all of them go celebrate you. No be all of them go they happy for you. No be all of them go thank God for you. And that is the more reason why person get to be very careful the way they do things. Women dey where they don't get belle, they don't born. Where they know people go even wonder say, when you take carry belle. This thing be say, I don't know what thing they go on with we black people. Anything what you both do, we go want to follow. Even though not be our own way, we go follow they do. Everybody get a belle, it go carry a belle naked, it show for inside social media. We say we go follow show belle naked. Or you they carry belle, it go they do press up, it go they dance, it go they jump mountain, they come down. It go go on top bed, they jump, they come down. We say we go they follow they do. What I want to talk be say, your system, and the person where they do that thing, it not they equal. Your system not they equal. Una not come from the same mama. Una not they share the same gene. Why you take no things say that thing where that person they do, you say you feel do one. Say the alacrity where the person they take they do the sports where they do. So you say you feel do one. What's they make you they think that? The way where your body they take they speak to you when you get belle, not be the way where the person body they take they speak to them. Maybe when they dance that dance for 5 minutes like that, then keep on. They'll go find place, go rest for the next 3 months. You know they know. But the thing be say, with a copy, person fit do sport for 2 minutes. Or he dance for 50 seconds. He put am for inside social media. When I go copy am, when I go see say, he don't dance the whole day. You go stand there, you go dey dance for more than 1 hour. You go dey do sport for more than 2 hours. When you get belle. For waiting. Why you go dey do that kind of thing? Your body system no dey the same like that person. Now, we don't dey see a lot of things where they happen for social media. Me and they talk, say me person no carry the thing put for mind. I know they talk for any particular person. Now, a general message. The thing be say, when you don't get that belly like that, you put on for inside social media. We don't dey see a lot of things that happen. You get this small young girl we just died, I think last week or 2 weeks ago. Or he never stay safe. The girl just 24 years. 24 years speaking. Now a YouTube star. He get followers. He do everything. He get belly. He don't give pikin name already. Rain. No be rain as in raindrops, so rain as in God with the rain. Now, person they dance, person they jump, person they do sports. Now just to the show say, in body they fine, they happy, they celebrate. But there are so many other ways you can give thanks to God for what he has done for you than just this jumping. You dey jump, pikin dey your stomach. I no be doctor. Water dey there, everything mix up. You don't know whether water will go enter pikin nose or go enter pikin mouth. You don't know. But we dey do everything where we dey do. Now this pikin, this small girl, he don't die. The cause of death, they never even know because they get to go do autopsy. They get to go look wetin kill her before they go know. But they say he suffer heart attack. Massive heart attack. As I read the thing, as I hear him, he suffer heart attack. Because if they complain, or on the day where he die, he they complain of back and chest pain. Back and chest pain. And they complain of. She was a dancer. She was waiting. Who know wetin happen? Person die, pikin die. Who know wetin happen? I don't know. I no fit talk wetin big pass my mouth. But wetin they ask be say, must that pregnancy come on social media? We dey go to an extent, we too dey do things we not supposed to do. We dey go to an extent just to get a few likes and clicks. We go forget about our own health. We go forget about how we dey feel. I don't dey tell una many times say, even these small videos where I dey do like this, the kind of pressure that I feel sometimes, the pressure that you feel knowing that people are out there waiting, they want to hear from you. Where they make say sometimes, even when I dey feel sick, I dey wake up, they come. But I know for things say if I get belly, I go wake up, come dey, even when my skin no dey show me say go, I will come here. I don't think there should be a limit to everything. So the pressure with person dey when you dey normal for your own body, the pressure where you dey suffer, talk less of say the time when you get belly, then you dey go through that pressure because you have to be uploading every day. You get to the upload to the show wetin dey go on as the progress, whether the pregnancy, or as the as a blogger, how your beauty they go, how your blog they go, how your waiting they go. There is a lot of pressure in it. So wetin they talk be say, my ladies, abeg, biko, must that pregnancy come on social media? People dey where they get belly, then go born. Before you won't know, they don't carry pikin come out. Before they won't even show that belly, they don't already born the pikin finish. Must you show that pregnancy from one day when you get belly to 9 months where you go born. You know who they think well for you and who not they think well for you. You know as this jump where you they jump, as the pikin they take they feel. You know as the pikin they feel. You know. You they go check up. They tell you say pikin they well. But your body self, you believe the doctor, you don't believe your body. Because even though something is going to happen, your skin, your body go show you, your body go tell you. But sometimes we go dwell on the results of the doctor. Doctor no be God. You don't know what's going to happen. Things can change in a minute. You don't know what's going to happen because your body no dey like another person's body. I dey beg say make una they take time to listen to una body more than una they listen to the doctor's reports. Doctors get a lot to do. When they go check the pikin, they say pikin dey fine for your belly. Good. You yourself take time to be listening to your body before you do all this jump around. Before you do all this dancing, all this posting on Facebook, on YouTube and everything. Listen to your body first before you do anything. Must that pregnancy come on social media? Must you tell the whole world that you are pregnant? The one we don't come now. Whether we want the shame enemy. Before you want shame enemy, make sure say you don't hold your pikin for your hand first. Before you the shame enemy, hold pikin for hand. Because they know they count pikin for chicken, which is still inside egg. They know they count pikin for chicken, where is still inside egg, and they tell una like that. They know they count them. I know we get excited with getting pregnant. I know we want to show the whole world how happy we are. But I want you to know, we don't pray for evil for anybody. We pray for good and we hope for good. But while you are hoping, take necessary precautions. Because no place where inside Bible we talk say, when you get belly, may you go they dance. May you go they do sports, do press up, carry iron, do everything where you do. No way where I see that one no day. So while una they hope for God for a safe delivery, una they take care for yourself. Una they take care for yourself. No, say that pikin, it never dey inside your hand. Don't use it and play with it. No use and play with them at all. The pikin no dey inside your hand, it dey inside your belly. When me say, as it never dey inside your hand, you never see the pikin. You never know what's going to happen. And make una know say we dey in a world where people do not celebrate your well-being. They don't celebrate the good things. They don't celebrate you for anything. Make una know that one. Whether you see the enemy or you don't see him, but the fact that say the enemy they exist. Whether we believe say certain day or not, certain they exist. But God, in his powerful mercy, now they guide, they protect us every day. So make we put all these things into consideration. No be say to fear kwa, no evil can before me. To fear kwa, no evil no go before you. But you dey go spot the jake iron, we pikin inside your belly. Have fun now. Must we always imitate things that people do? Must you do things because you see people doing them? What about your health? What about the child? The worst thing is for a mother to lose a child. That's the worst. And talk less of this young girl where they talk say he don't die. He died, pikin, follow and die. So you can imagine how woman go sit down. You lost daughter, you lost grandpikin. Now already only 24 years old then they get there. You lost pikin, you lost grandpikin. I don't know what happen. I don't know what happen. But when you are living in the world of the unknown, make una be very careful. Because tomorrow carry belle, you don't know what you go bring come for you. So you have to be very careful. Be very careful. And they beg una. Person will get ear, make it hear. The one will no get ear. Because not be said they go say, it gets advice, it get correction, and it get jealousy. But these days, we they confuse all of them. Because when person advise person, you go say they jealous. Children of God, do not jealous. Children of God correct each other with love. And they take God, they take beguna. Carry your pikin for hand. Do celebration. No celebrate belle. Where you never even born. You don't even know how the delivery time could be like. Everybody won't born like Hebrew women. But not be every Hebrew woman they come out of theater room. That is just the reality. Take it or leave it. I take on them the beguna. I beg. Maybe we dey take precautions for the things we do. No be every pregnancy go come social media. No be every celebration go come social media. We don't they see, I don't they talk about them for platform, for Facebook, and they talk about them for YouTube. May we not take precaution. As we dey pray, may we dey be very careful. Keep ourselves away from trouble. So if you watch this video, if it still encourage you, you go share them, you go tag people. You go also subscribe. And I used to ask, I say, you will never subscribe to this our YouTube channel. What you call the wait now? What you dey wait? Big no. I beg una. Negemwe tonto. Make una help us to subscribe for this our YouTube channel. Please watch, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This video, apart from this one, there are so many other videos, like I used to say, on Facebook and on YouTube. Third Thesis Inspirational Corner channel on YouTube, page on Facebook. We also have a hair page, Wigs by TTIC on Facebook. We also have a charity organization, Third Thesis Charity Organization. We still have it. It's also on Facebook. You can log in, you can see our activities, and you can support us. God bless you. God bless you all. I thank you for hanging on there for me. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for supporting me. I thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Stay blessed, and we'll see us on the next episode on TTIC Gist Day on YouTube. Love you all. Bye.